Good morning everyone. Today we are going to listen about the grammar part of the second unit, the true height, a reading grammar part. All of you open the textbook page number 31. See in the textbook, vocabulary, synonyms. Use a thesaurus dictionary to find out the synonyms of these words from the biographical account you have read. From where we need to find out the synonyms of these words from the by using the thesaurus or dictionary. By using this one, we need to find out the meaning of these words. So all of you see this tabular form, word and synonyms. First word, quench. Meaning of quench word, satisfy, put out, cool, slake, appease, appease, appease. Next second word, glamour. Glamour meaning colorful, charm, magic, smart, attraction. Next one, passion. Desire, eagerness, hunger, love, obsession, strong feeling. Next one, persistence, continuity, relentlessness, ceaselessness, steady, fastness. Next word, arrogant, boastful, haughty, proud, egoistical, high-handed. Next one, pounding, batter, beat, hammer, grind, crush. These all are the meaning of the pounding. Quench meaning satisfy, glamour meaning colorful, passion meaning desire, persistence meaning continuity, relentlessness, boastful and haughty. Next pounding, batter, beat, hammer, grind, crush. Like that you have to write in your notebook. Not notebook, write in a textbook meaning of these words. Quench, glamour, passion, persistence, arrogant, pounding. All these words meaning you have to write in the tabular form synonyms. Next coming to the suffixes. Look at the following words taken from the passages. We need to find out the suffixes from these words. What are the words you have to see? Competition, excitement, persistence, immediately, wonderful, effortless, childhood, national, intensity. These all are the words. We need to find out the suffixes. So what is the competition suffix? ION, excitement, MENT, persistence, ENCE, immediately, TELY, wonderful, FUL, effortless, LESS, childhood, HOOD, national, AL, intensity. Like that you have to write the suffixes of these all words in the given tabular form. Now pick out the suffixes from each word and form new words of your own in the table given below. One is done for you. Here one is done for us. What is that one word? Competition. What is the suffix for the competition? ION. And also new word. What is the new word? Completion. Like that you have to write a remaining one. So what is next one? Excitement. What is the suffix for the excitement? MENT. And also new word. What is the new word? Management. Here I am not writing the words in the first column. Why? Because already given in the box all the words. That's one you have to write in the first column. I am filling only second column and third column suffixes are new words. But you must and should write the first column also all the words which are given in the box. Next we have to see third one. What is the third one? Persistence. What is the suffix for that? ENCE. Persistence. ENCE is the suffix. Ence. What is the new word? You have to use that one. You have to write the new word. Consistence. New word is consistence. Next one. Immediately. What is the suffix? LY. You have to write new word. Immensely. Next. Wonderful. What is the suffix? FUL. You have to write the new word grateful. Next one, effortless. Suffix LESS. New word restless. Next, childhood. New word brotherhood. What is the suffix? HOOD. Hood. What is the new word? Brotherhood. Next one, national. What is the suffix? AL. What is the new word? Rational. Next one, intensity. What is the suffix? ITY. Next, new word adversity. Like that you have to write in your tabular form in your textbook. Next coming to the page number 32. In that collocation. The collocation is an arrangement of words or other elements, especially those that commonly co-occur. Arrangement of words, that one will be called as the collocation, or other elements which gives the full-fledged meaning, that one will be called as the collocation. Here you have to see one example is there. Example, heartfelt congratulations. Heartfelt congratulations. That one will be called as the collocation, the arrangement of the words. We felt heartfelt, and which situation we call that one, the when we give the congratulations to others, we said that one heartfelt congratulations. The type of the words arrangement will be called as the collocation. There are certain words combinations are there. Adjective plus noun. The words which are considered in the adjective plus noun. Here some examples are there. Bright. Bright will be adjective. Bright, harsh, intense, strong. These all are the adjective. But light will be noun. When we said today is the bright light or harsh light or intense light, strong light, that words will be called as the collocation, which is combination of the adjective and noun. Next one, verb plus noun. Example, cast, emit, give, provide, shade. These all are the verb. Light is the noun. Cast light, emit light, like that we will arrange the words. Noun, verb. Here light is the noun. Gleams, glows, shines, these are the verbs. Noun, noun. Here light source, a light source. Example, preposition plus noun. Examples, by the light of the moon. Noun plus preposition. Example, the light from the window. Like that the words arrangement will be called as the collocation. And also now another two examples are there. Noun plus preposition. The light from the window. Next, quantifier plus noun. Quantifier means so many, much more. That type of one will be, counting will be called as the quantifier. Quantifier plus noun. A beam or ray of light. Examples, a beam or a ray of light. Light is the noun, a beam and ray are the quantifiers. Use a dictionary and write which word in column 1 can connect with those in the next 5 columns. Put a tick mark in the relevant columns. Use the part collections in your own sentences. By using the collocations, we said that words will be very meaningfully and the English grammar will be very beauty will get by using the collocations. Here some words are given. By using that words, we will give the full-fledged meaning of that words by using these words which are given in the columns. We need to keep the right mark, tick mark at the sentences to fulfill that words, to arrange the words in the collocation form. So here you have to see, already we are observed the first example. What is that one? Heartfelt congratulations. So we know what we need to write here. Heartfelt sympathy also we have to write. So you have to put the tick mark at two columns where the sympathy and also congratulations. So what is the word arrangement, that one? Heartfelt sympathy and heartfelt congratulations. So like that words will be called as the like that words arrangement will be called as the collocation. Like that you have to write the remaining ones. What is the next one? Deep sympathy. You have to write, tick the mark at the sympathy. Next, childhood dream. You have to put the tick mark at the dream. Next, express opinion. Next, strong opinion. Next, warm welcome. You have to put the tick marks like that. First one, heartfelt sympathy and congratulations. Next one, deep sympathy. Next one, childhood dream. Next one, express opinion. Next, strong opinion. Next, warm welcome. Like that words will be called as the collocations. By using the collocation, the English grammar will be gets the beauty. Next, coming to the grammar. Look at the following sentences taken from the reading passage. Here we are knowing about the as, when, since, where we are using. As he raced down the golden-lined wheat fields, he would always outturn the locomotive passing by. As he raced down the golden-lined wheat fields, he would always outturn the locomotives passing by. A second sentences depends on the first sentences. So as here we are using the as he raced down the golden line the wheat fields, he would always outturn the locomotive passing by. Next, coming to the second sentence, when he heard the singing in some distant robins in flight, he knew it was his time to fly. This one also, in this also, the second sentence will be depends on the first sentence. By reading only first sentence, we won't get the full-fledged meaning. It will be depends on the second sentence. When we are reading the second sentence, it will be gets the full-fledged meaning. When he heard the singing in some distance robins in flight, he knew it was his time to fly. When the bell rings in our schools, we know it's the time to school time. Next, coming to the third one. Since the other volunteer had fewer misses, Michael needed to clear this wallet to win. This one also depends in the first sentence. Since the other volunteer had few misses, Michael needed to clear this wallet to win. Because of first volunteer by doing the misses, Michael needed to clear this wallet to win. Like that, the second sentences will be depends on the first sentence. Since in the above sentences, the clause with as and when denotes the time, whereas since denotes the reason. As and when refers to time, and the other parts state what happened at the time. In the third sentences, the clause beginning with the since states the reason, and the other states the consequences. So in this we already know what is the clause which combines the two sentences will be called as a clause. Here we are used the as when, which denotes the time. Already we seen in the first two sentences as when, both are at where we used at the time. We mentioned that the time plus we are used the as when. In the since, where we use the since at the reason, which gives the reason why the Michael needs to clear the wallet to win. Why? Because the first wallet had few misses. Because of here we are using the since. The since will be gives the reason, denotes the reason. So these are called as the conjunctions. What are there? As, when, since will be called as the conjunctions. By using these conjunctions, we are adding the two sentences will be called as a clause. We already discussed. The words as, when, since or conjunctions which connect two sentences called as the clauses. The clauses containing these words are called adverbial clauses. These adverbial clauses cannot stand independently. We already discussed the first sentence will be depends on the second sentence, or second sentence will be depends on the first sentence to give the full-fledged meaning. So this one will be called as the, like these sentences will be called as the adverbial clauses or dependent clauses independently. So they are independently. So they are called as the dependent clauses or subordinate clauses. The clauses that stands on its own is an independent clause or main clause. The sentence which gives the full-fledged meaning without it depends on the other sentence. That one will be called as the independent clause or main clause. How the dependent clause or subordinate clause will be formed by using the linkers. We already discussed what are the linkers in the first unit grammar. Yes or no? The linkers as, when and since adverbs are placed before the clause to make the subordinate clause. When we are placing the as, when and since before the clauses, that one will be makes a subordinate clause. Subordinate means dependent clauses or adverbial clauses. Next, complete the following sentences with appropriate adverbial clauses. Use the adverbs wherever they are given in brackets. The teacher entered the class when the students were playing. The teacher entered the class when the students were playing. Here, what is the linker we used? The teacher, when the teacher, when. Here, when. The linker is when. The teacher entered the class when the students were playing. Like that you have to write remaining adverbial clause. The dog ran into a speeding car as they were crossing the road. What is the linker here used? As. Or what is the conjunction here used? As. So before keeping the as the clause as, that one will be called as the adverbial clause. I was in a deep sleep when the telephone rang. Someone knocked at the door as Rani was preparing food. The crowd cheered Michael Stone as soon as he won the event. Soon as it is a high time, the cricket board thought of different alternatives as the senior cricketer has announced his retirement. Like that, you have to write the adverbial clauses by using the linkers which are given in the brackets. As soon as what are the linkers here we are used? As, when, as soon as, like that you have to write the adverbial clauses. Okay students, so this is about the grammar part of the first unit, the second unit, a reading. All of you write in your textbooks, and also must and should read the textbook a reading story full. Thank you everyone.